The date is the 28th of August 2025. The time is now 3:40 AM, and this is towards the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, and there's a supernatural noise. That's loud. And it's over in the southwest now. Yeah, it's definitely supernatural. Just as I'm sending off emails to Jehovah's Witness elders. I didn't have my phone on me, so it was quite loud, the noise, so I went back upstairs to get my camera. It was definitely a rushing sound. And there's no main road in that direction, and you won't be getting traffic anyway at 3:40 AM in the morning. You can hear it now. I was just doing a calculation of the number 700 because it's to do with a video by Muse, the band Muse, and that light there came on and shone on my ceiling as I was doing the calculation. And there's no dog here. Trisha's dog is with her at a flat at the minute. Hey, listen now. Come on, get louder. It's just to the right of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's loud. Now it's changed over to the southwest again. Actually, it's coming from both directions, southwest and the west. It was really loud, the noise, when I first come out, like a ringing noise as well. It's like rushing wind or something. I can hear it in the southwest. There's definitely a noise there. Oh my god, hang on a minute. There was a star up there. It looked like Venus. It was as bright as Venus. I thought, oh, I just saw it out of the corner of my eye. It just flashed on, like really bright. I thought, oh, did I not notice that? And it's just gone out. The star's just gone out. Literally. That was as bright as anything. I wish I'd put my camera up now. Yeah, something supernatural tonight. Where is that star gone? That was so bright. Venus won't be up there anyway. I literally saw it out the corner of my eye flash on really bright. And then it just like disappeared into a speck of light. Yeah, the Holy Spirit, the angels are confirming with that star in the sky that just went out and just appeared and went out. That's to confirm that this noise is supernatural. So that's what the angels and the Holy Spirit do. They'll back up a miracle by another miracle just to confirm it. They definitely start. Yeah, honestly, I saw that like really bright and I just looked at it. I thought, oh, that's strange. A lot of stars in the sky tonight. But that one was right just up there. That was really bright. I just noticed it and I looked up and thought, oh, I don't know what that star is so bright. Really bright it was. And then it just kind of faded and went into a speck of light like a star. Something supernova's going on, supernatural. Damn, I wish I'd got that on camera, on video. You just have to take my word from it. I don't tell lies, I'll make up stories. It was there. Will it appear again? With stars, the sky's covered with stars tonight. I wish this supernatural noise would get louder. Be good to hear some trumpet blast, wouldn't it? Which I have on one of my videos. There's like a rushing water sound in the southwest now. It's getting on for 4 AM. Yeah, over the years I've seen a few stars travelling across my top above my house. What's that light come on for? That's a bit strange. That light just come on. See, it's got that beam of light again, look. All the lights are my camera's gone supernatural again, look. The light's travelling across. I don't know why that light came on. Maybe because my door's open, I don't know. Yeah, the sound's there now, loud. Southwest. There's the Kingdom Mall, that direction, Jehovah's Witnesses. I'm going to go in a minute and have my cup of tea. Man, I'm just annoyed I didn't get that star. I just thought, oh, that's bright. It literally just appeared in the sky and I just noticed it. And then it disappeared after about 10 seconds. That's weird. Yeah, we're all on track to take the Watchtower down in Jehovah's Witnesses and the governing body. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Ah, that looks like now that's Jupiter. That's Venus up there, I think. I presume it is. Yeah, looks bright. Look. Yeah, that's Venus up there. Look. Gotta be. Yep. Noisy now. That's what I heard earlier. Oh my god, that is loud. What the hell is that? That's ridiculous now. There's nothing in that direction. Just had an earthquake 3.6 and Uchal Pradesh, India. Oh, there's an earthquake in India 3.6. Right, I'm going to call it a day now, because at night, because I'm going to get my cup of tea. Anyway, there you go, supernatural night. Bye for now. The time is now 4:06 AM, and I just came outside, and it was really loud noise in the west towards the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. Can hear it now. Now that is loud. And I literally, just in between that gap where that light is, I saw a red light moving in between that gap to the right, and it was a red flashing light. More supernatural activity. The noise everywhere in that direction. That's in the southwest. Can hear the noise. Can't describe it really, it's like a rushing noise. That definitely isn't traffic at 4:10 in the morning AM. Yeah, I came out and I didn't have my camera on me, and it was really noisy. Here we go. That's getting noisy now. No, if that ain't supernatural, what is? Especially with that star appearing in the sky, bright star, earlier. And there's a star flashing up there, look. There we go. What the hell is that? Yeah, I can literally see it from here. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can see the star flashing. And the noise is getting louder. There's literally a star moving. I can see it. That's not a plane. That's a supernatural star. Definitely. 100% sure. Just below that was where the red light was flashing earlier. Yeah, I knew I'd see another one. Holy Spirit confirming again. I can still see it. Where is it? There he is. There you are. Look. That won't be a plane. I'll check on my plane finder in a minute. It's all happening tonight. Supernatural activity all around Lincoln. Birchwood estate. I literally heard a noise over there. I don't know what that was. Right, I'm going to finish my cup of tea off now and get these videos sorted on to put it up, upload onto YouTube. Bye for now.